Hello everyone, welcome to Tutorials in Hand. In this video tutorial, we are going to see how to write a C program to print ASCII value of any character. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. So first of all, let's include the header file which would be required in our program. So let's include the basic header file which is stereo.h. Now let's start our main method in order to start writing the program. Yeah. Now what's the very first thing that we have to do? So we have to ask the user to enter us with the character whose ASCII value he or she wants to know, right? So let's have a variable called C inside which we will store the character that the user will provide. Now let's ask the user to enter the character. To do that, we will write the relevant comment which is enter the character. Now let's see the user has entered the character. Now we as a programmer have to deal with it, right? And how we are going to deal? So first of all, we have to store it somewhere, and to store it, we have created this variable called C. So we will store it in this variable C, and the way how we will perform it is we'll simply write scanf, and will provide modulus C. Since it's the character, that's why we are writing C. Had there the input been of integer type, then we would have written D. Okay, so we'll simply write comma and we'll provide ampersand and then C. So this basically means that after means till this line what we did, we first of all declared our variable C, right? Now we are asking the user to enter the character. Now let's say the user has entered the character, then we are storing it in this variable that we have created, which is C. Now what we have to do? Now we have to print the things up. So what we have to print? So we basically have to print the ASCII value. So let me show you how we will print it. So let's simply write the ASCII value of modulus C. Okay. So this modulus C will be replaced by my character is equals to modulus D. So this is the thing with help of which we can find the ASCII value of a character. That is, if we provide modulus D to the character, then we will get the ASCII value of that particular character. Right? So let's provide C comma C. That is what we are telling basically is that the ASCII value of modulus C. So this will be replaced by C, right? Which would be nothing but the character that the user has input, and then we are again replacing it to modulus D, which is C. That is what's happening is we are casting or we are converting the character to its relevant integer type, and the relevant integer type or the corresponding integer type to the character is nothing but the ASCII value. Now let's print it and see everything working. So see, it's asking me to enter the character, let it be small a, and here you can see that it's telling that the ASCII value of A is 97. Now let's try out with different inputs. Let it be capital A, and here you can see that it's telling that the ASCII value of capital A is 65. Let's try out with some number input as well, which is 0. And here you can see that the value of 0 is 48. It's the ASCII value of it. So this is how we can write a program in C in order to find the ASCII value of any character. I hope you understood the things very clearly, but still if you have any doubt, then feel free to drop it down in the comment section. So this was all about the video.